Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me, and I wanted to take my busted looking self and get on camera and show you guys really quickly what I got for this month's glam bag. Is it right that I say glam bag? I don't know. And I show you this month's Boxycharm. Now this is the regular Boxycharm. The Boxy Luxe has not been released yet. So I'm just gonna show you the products that I got, and one of them got me shook. Love this product. This is gonna be like one of my new faves. But first of all, let me just show you the first product. I threw out the box because really, what's the point of me showing you the box? Like, who cares about the box? But so this is the first product, and this is a product that obviously everyone knows. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm not gonna hate it because even though I have one, it is slowly starting to dry up. So this actually came just in time, so I'm definitely going to be using that product. The next product that I received is a highlighter. And this is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the highlighter right in here. It's in the color Shimmering Swan. Now I did try this highlighter, and to be honest, I kind of really don't care about the highlighter. It's a really pretty color. It's like a nice shimmery champagne, as you can see. I'm just gonna double swatch just in case. So as you can see, that's the color. The color is pretty. I don't have an issue with the color. This highlighter is a very subtle highlighter in my opinion. I don't think it's something that is a blinding highlighter if that's what you are looking for. I do use this wet because I feel like it shows a little bit more, but even using it wet, I still don't think it's as much as an intense effect that you would want if that is your preference. If you do prefer a subtle highlighter, then this would be up in your alley. But if you do not, then you probably may want to skip this. I'm talking about if you want to maybe purchase it on your own. I don't hate the highlighter. I would probably use it like maybe an everyday natural look or one of those lazy days or something. But if you really want like a glammed up look with a blinding highlighter, I really don't think that's it. So with that said, I'm gonna go to the next product, and this is from Trestique. And honestly, I'm kind of not crazy about this brand either. I've had this brand before. Actually, Ipsy also gives these little samples, lipsticks or the blush sticks. They also have, I've also gotten them in my Ipsy bags. I'm really honestly not crazy about the brand. So this is a lipstick, and this is a full size. This is the first full size I've received because again, the Trestique products that I have received have been from Ipsy, and you know that Ipsy just gives you, you know, deluxe samples or whatever. But anyway, so this is a lipstick, and there's actually a primer on the other side, which is right here. So that's kind of cool. That's a nice little thing. And here is the color, which is a very dark burgundy. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it. I have not used this color yet. Actually, it's not as dark as I thought it would be. It looks really dark itself when you look at it, but when you swatch it, it's really not as dark as you would think it is. Again, I have not tried this product. This thing is new, haven't touched it yet. But yeah, I'm gonna see. The cute thing is that it's magnetic. There is a magnetic thing going on, so that's a cute touch. So I like that. And the last product, and this is the product that has me like, ah, is this is from Pharmacy, and I hope that whoever got this in their bag is also shook like I am shook. This is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. And as you have guessed it, yes, it has honey in it. This is like, wow, okay? Now, I have tried Pharmacy products. If you're not aware of Pharmacy products, they're a K-beauty brand made in Korea. And I gotta tell you that this has to be one of the best cleansers that I have used. I was absolutely shocked. First of all, well, let me get this out the way first of all. This smells like pure honey, but I mean the scent is like potent. When I first opened it, I was like, God, you know, like it was so strong, the scent, and just washing your face with it, I mean, it just enveloped the bathtub with the scent. But I have gotten used to the scent, and I actually like the scent. I actually liked it the first time. It was just really strong. So I have to warn you about that firsthand if you do decide to get this cleanser, or if you did get it in your box and you haven't used it yet. It is a very potent honey smell. But for me, I actually got used to it, and I actually enjoy the smell now. A little goes a long way with this product, okay? I mean, dime size, maybe even less. Use less if you don't have any makeup on, because this lathers like nobody's business. This has such a lather, a rich, wonderful lather. I'm telling you, I cannot say enough about how much I like this product. And I think out of my box this month, I think that the product that I really enjoyed the most, and I really underrated it when I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, a cleanser. But I have to say that this product was the best product that I received in this month's box. The mascara, I have it. The highlighter was meh. The lipstick, I haven't tried it yet, but I don't really care too much about it. Maybe I'll change my mind when I put it on. But the cleanser, y'all, mija, this cleanser is bomb diggity, okay? So if you didn't get it in the bag, in your box, or if you don't have Boxycharm and you want to purchase it, I'm going to strongly suggest that you get this product. Left my face not only very clean, but very soft as well. So that's it. I think I should be like an ambassador for pharmacy, right? But anyway, thank you guys for watching me show you my products, and leave a comment below, what did you get your box, if you did get a box. And that's it. Let's chat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.